Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best pigmented eyeliners for achieving bold and defined eye looks. If you've been searching for an eyeliner that delivers intense pigmentation, precision, and long-lasting wear, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the top 5 eyeliners that stand out for their quality, usability, and performance. From high-end brands to drugstore gems, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started and find the perfect eyeliner for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Urban Decay. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide-On Eye Pencil is a cult favorite that has become synonymous with high-performance eyeliners. Known for its rich pigmentation and creamy texture, this pencil is designed for effortless application and intense definition. Key features: Urban Decay offers a wide range of over 30 shades, from classic black to vibrant hues like electric blue and deep green. The formula is waterproof, cruelty-free, and enriched with hydrating ingredients like jojoba oil and vitamin E to ensure a smooth glide and comfort during wear. Benefits and usage: this eyeliner is perfect for both subtle and dramatic eye looks. Its creamy texture allows for easy blending, making it ideal for creating smoky eyes. Whether you want precise lines or a smudged-out effect, this pencil adapts effortlessly to your style. Usability: the pencil glides smoothly without tugging, making it suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. The versatility of this product means it works well on the waterline, lash line, or as a base for other eyeshadows. Durability: true to its name, the 24/7 Glide-On pencil delivers long-lasting wear, staying intact for up to 16 hours without smudging or fading. Its waterproof formula ensures it remains flawless through tears, humidity, and sweat. In the second spot, we have Kat Von D. The Kat Von D Tattoo Liner is a holy grail product for those who demand precision and intense pigmentation. Its innovative brush tip and vegan formula have made it a favorite among professional makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Key features: this eyeliner features an ultrafine brush tip that consists of 325 flexible bristles for precision application. Available in jet black and rich brown, the formula is waterproof, smudge-proof, and highly pigmented, ensuring a bold finish with every stroke. Benefits and usage: perfect for achieving sharp cat eyes or intricate designs, this eyeliner offers incredible control. Its highly pigmented formula ensures a deep, even application in one swipe, reducing the need for touch-ups. Usability: the brush tip provides exceptional control, making it easy to create thin lines or dramatic wings. The ergonomic design of the pen ensures a comfortable grip, ideal for beginners and pros alike. Durability: the tattoo liner is renowned for its staying power, lasting up to 12 hours without smudging or cracking. Its waterproof formula makes it a reliable choice for long events, outdoor activities, or rainy days. Coming in at number 3 is the MAC. The MAC Fluid Line Gel Eyeliner offers professional-level performance with its silky gel formula. Known for its bold pigmentation and smooth application, this eyeliner is a go-to for makeup lovers who prioritize precision and versatility. Key features: available in various shades like Black Track and Dip Down, the Fluid Line Gel Eyeliner offers a creamy texture that sets to a smudge-resistant finish. It is ophthalmologist tested, making it safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Benefits and usage: this gel eyeliner is perfect for creating bold, dramatic lines or soft, blended looks. The creamy formula glides effortlessly onto the skin, allowing for easy control and precision. Use it with an angled brush to achieve the best results. Usability: the jar packaging ensures the product doesn't dry out easily, and its gel consistency makes it easy to work with. The eyeliner is beginner-friendly and blends seamlessly with other makeup products for a polished finish. Durability: the long-wearing formula provides up to 12 hours of smudge-proof wear. It withstands heat and humidity, ensuring your look remains flawless throughout the day or night. Taking our 4th spot is Fenty Beauty. The Fenty Beauty Fly Liner is a revolutionary product designed for those who crave bold pigmentation and precision. With its sleek packaging and unique formula, this eyeliner has quickly become a favorite in the beauty industry. Key features: the Flyliner features a triangular-shaped felt tip for ultimate control and precision. Its highly pigmented, water-resistant formula is available in true black, delivering a satin finish that enhances any eye look. The product is cruelty-free and designed to complement a wide range of skin tones. Benefits and usage: perfect for creating everything from subtle lines to bold wings, the Flyliner ensures even application in a single stroke. The water-resistant formula prevents smudging and transfer, making it ideal for long days or special occasions. Usability: the ergonomic design and triangular shape of the pen offer a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for beginners and experts. The felt tip provides consistent ink flow, ensuring precision and control with every use. Durability: the Flyliner is built to last, providing up to 14 hours of wear without fading or smudging. Its water-resistant formula ensures your eyeliner remains flawless even in humid conditions. At number 5, we have Maybelline. The Maybelline Hyper Easy Liquid Liner is a drugstore gem that offers high-end performance at an affordable price. Known for its smooth application and rich pigmentation, this eyeliner is a must-have for beauty lovers on a budget. Key features: this liner features a flexible brush tip that glides effortlessly across the lid, providing consistent pigment. The waterproof, smudge-proof formula is available in jet black and delivers a bold matte finish. Its innovative hexagonal grip ensures maximum comfort during application. Benefits and usage: ideal for creating precise lines or dramatic wings, the Hyper Easy Liquid Liner ensures an even application without skipping or tugging. Its quick-drying formula reduces the risk of smudges, making it perfect for rushed mornings or on-the-go touch-ups. Usability: the hexagonal grip and flexible brush tip make this eyeliner beginner-friendly and easy to use. Its lightweight formula feels comfortable on the skin, ensuring a flawless finish without any heaviness. Durability: the Hyper Easy Liquid Liner provides up to 10 hours of smudge-proof wear. Its waterproof formula ensures your eyeliner stays intact through sweat, tears, and humidity, making it a reliable choice for any occasion. That wraps up our review of the best pigmented eyeliners that deliver bold color, precision, and long-lasting wear. From premium picks like Decay and Fenty Beauty to budget-friendly options like Maybelline, there's an eyeliner here for everyone. Whether you're perfecting your winged liner or adding a pop of color, these products will elevate your makeup game. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews.